particular perfume brand only makes inspirations of Byredo perfumes. They have literally made almost every single clone of Byredo perfumes. And today, we get to try out 7 of them. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. So today, it's a huge unboxing of 7 perfumes from the house of Veyes. So one of my lovely subscribers asked me to check out the house of Veyes, that they have amazing perfumes, which are all inspirations of Byredo fragrances. So today we get to unbox all of them together while I give you my honest first impressions. Now this video might be a little long because of course we're unboxing 7 fragrances, but don't you dare leave. Stay until the very end. Why? Because you love me, right? Because you love me and I love you too. Let's do this. This is the first one. This is Super Cedar. Okay, Super Cedar is an inspiration of Super Cedar by Byredo. This line also has many more other fragrances, but I just managed to get 7 because these were the ones I could lay my hands on. I checked and they have a list of other fragrances. They have 2000 Days, my favorite, Midnight, Silver Ombre, 1000 Days, Gold Ombre, Aura, Bluestone, Limelight, Victory Day, and Woody Oud. These are other inspirations of Byredo fragrances. Now, I cannot claim to say I know exactly which one is duping which, but I know that Byredo has a Super Cedar fragrance, and we're going to check this one out. They are in 100 mils, by the way, and they are actually very affordable. If you're able to lay your hands on them, oh my God. Okay, this is elegant. This is elegant. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. This is elegant. This is Super Cedar. Oh, they do look like Byredo bottles because, I mean, I get it. I get it. I totally get it. We're going to be spraying on tester strips, not on skin, because we have so much to go through. I'm going to run out of skin. This is beautiful, surprisingly so. Because honestly, I had no expectations of these perfumes. I was thinking, if a fragrance house completely dedicates itself to duping another fragrance house, wow, this is smooth. Yeah, this is smooth. This is floral. This is fresh. This is a bit powdery. I can smell a bit of vanilla in the background. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one. Super Cedar is actually amazing. It smells clean. It smells elegant. It smells sophisticated. You can't pick up anything sharp. With Super Cedar, you would think it would be super woodsy. It's not. It's super clean and elegant. So this is the first one. The second one is Nightlife, also from the same brand. Now, I do not know exactly what Nightlife is an inspiration of. I do not know. If you know which Byredo fragrance actually has a name that sounds like Nightlife, please drop it down in the comment section so I can know exactly what this one is duping. This one has a white cap. Oh my God, you cannot tell me nothing. This is clean. This house seems to know what they are doing. Veyes. Oh my God. Okay. Nightlife. Oh my God. This is intensely spicy. What spice is that? Is that cardamom? Ginger. Cardamom, ginger. This is really spicy and ambery. There's something that stings my nose in there. Is that mint? Oh my God, I don't have access to the notes of this fragrance. Super minty, super spicy. I smell patchouli. Super green, super fresh. This will be obviously suited for men. I personally am not a huge fan of this one. Nightlife. It's nice, but I'm not a fan. The next one, Wanted. They all have similar packaging, which is really cute. This is super, super elegant and classy. I won't even lie. Wanted. Wow. She's cute. This has a black cap as well. So let me get another tester strip and see how this would work. This is good. This is floral. This is vanilla. This is sweet. It smells a bit like Out of Nature 2 by Latafa. Yeah, this is florals, vanilla, freshness, sweetness. I think this is also suited for men. So far, so good. I've not really tried any floral fruity fragrance. It's beautiful. It's smooth. It's actually sexy. This one is sexy. Yeah. What's the name again? Wanted. Yeah, this would definitely make you feel wanted by the ladies. Nice. I think it's going to dry down powdery. Yeah, this is for an elegant man. Yeah, this one is a yes. Absolutely. Wanted is a yes. Let's go on to the next one. This is Rouge and Romance. Rouge and Romance by Veyes. Oh my God, this one has a gold cap. It has a gold cap. Rouge and Romance. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I'm just a little bit intimidated by the gold cap. I sprayed quite a bit. That is vanillic. That is vanillic. Ladies that like creamy vanilla fragrances. That is vanilla and a bit of fruit and a lot of amber. This one is warm. It smells a bit boozy. Warm, boozy, spicy, ambery, vanillic and sweet. Rouge and Romance. This is nice. It is fluffy, creamy, vanillic. Ladies would like this one. I think this is suited towards the ladies. Yeah, lovely. Rouge and Romance is also a yes. It's also a yes. I don't know if they get better with time, but so far so good. I'm enjoying myself. The next one, this is Rose of No Man's Land. Now, I know that Byredo has a fragrance that is specifically called Rose of No Man's Land. So I'm quite curious to try out this one. Rose of No Man's Land. Black cap. Looks cute. Yes, definitely rosy. The florals, the rose shine. Give me something else aside from rose. Other florals, jasmine. Some woods in the background, musk. Just a bit sweet, but there's something that smells like a cough syrup in here. There's something that's reminding me of that cherry in that cherry note in that liquor cherry. I don't know, is that it? It smells like a cough syrup. Is it the rose? There's something in here that smells a bit like the cough syrup. If you go deeper, you smell that cough syrup note. But the rose is prominent in here. If you like rosy fragrances, you will definitely love Veyes, Rose of No Man's Land. Rose, musky, florals. A lot of florals. Not bad. I could actually get behind this. Rose of No Man's Land is a maybe. It's a maybe. If you don't mind that cough syrup note, then you won't mind this. Okay, now on to the next one. This is Black Spice. Let's see how this smells. Does Byredo have a fragrance named Black Spice? I think it's called Black something, but it's not called Black Spice. This smells like guava mixed with woods and Middle Eastern spices. Cinnamon, cardamom, maybe even nutmeg. nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, and something that smells like guava. It is smooth, it is cool. This one is not warm, it is cold, it is cool. Spicy, woodsy, elegant. I see this on a man, on an elegant man, you know, like a rich, sophisticated man. Yeah, this is taking the Middle Eastern angle, that leather, spicy vanilla way. Cardamom, cinnamon, nutmeg, leather or suede. Lovely, lovely. This one is quite complicated. Yeah, this, definitely try this out. And then the last but not the least, this is Blanche from the same brand. Blanche, I know that Byredo has a perfume that is literally called Blanche. Oh, this one is another black cap. Okay, Blanche, tell us what you are. This smells super green and fruity. I cannot identify exactly what fruit that is, but it smells like kiwi. If you've had kiwi fruit, you know that tang. It smells like kiwi and it smells green. You know, like grass green. But not in a bad way, in a good way. And it's also spicy and fresh. It has some citrus note in there, probably bergamot or lime or lemon. Green, fresh. This isn't bad. This isn't bad at all. So far, so good. I think the ones that impressed me the most, let me see, is on Black Spice, Rouge and Romance, then Rose of No Man's Land. So far, these are my top three. Rose of No Man's Land, Black Spice, and then Rouge and Romance. So if you're thinking of getting Veyes perfumes in order to try Byredo fragrances, I guess you can get this. Although I have not smelled Byredo fragrances yet. But so far so good. These are amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like it, like it. Then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.